Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Uttam's Kitchen. Today I'll be demonstrating a way to cook pulao. Basically it's a generic pulao, but I have given it a twist of a Bengali recipe. It's a simple Bengali recipe that's been cooked during the Durga Pooja festival. It's a simple sweet pulao with some vegetables. I've put some extra vegetables out here to make it more healthier, but it's totally upon you. When you're cooking, you can modify the total contents. I'll show you what exactly is required out here. Okay, you can see here. Okay, let's see. You require some onion, one small onion, diced, chopped. Okay, and then green peas, almost like a quarter of 50 grams or so. Similarly, the French beans, and then you have the carrots, and then you have the rice. Rice needs to be pre-soaked in water. Okay, and then you will need the jeera, some regular sugar, and this is the cinnamon powder. You could use one stick of cinnamon as well, and then some elaichi, regular green cardamom, and then a spoon of ghee, clarified butter. Okay, and one Tejpatta. Okay, these are the things that I would be using. Try to keep it simple, and this is the pan that I'll be using. Okay, so what right now I'll do is I'll just turn on the gas. Okay, so okay, now what I'll do is I'll just minimize the flame a bit and put some clarified butter on it. So you can see this much clarified butter should be okay. Okay. So as it is melting, I'll put the jeera. Since it's smoking a bit, so you can just reduce the flame and then just fry the onions. Just sweat them a bit, kind of golden brown. Okay. Maybe you can fry it for like 20 seconds, 25 seconds, because while the entire thing is cooking, the onions will also get cooked, but initially just a bit of frying so that it develops its own taste. Now we'll just put the vegetables out here. So all the vegetables you need to put in there. Make sure you don't cover this pot while cooking, because the beautiful colors that you see here would go away. So this is a kind of tip. Whenever you need to keep the color of the vegetables, just do not cover it. Just saute it for like a minute or so. In the meantime, I'll put the sugar here. And then the bay leaf. You could vary the quantity according to the things that you want. For example, the clarified butter, the sugar, the vegetables and all. So it's upon you how much you want it. Right now I'm cooking for a single person, so that's the quantity that I just shared with you. Here you can see it's getting sauteed. Now I'll put the rice. Just mix it well. And now I'll put the water. The water needs to be double the quantity of the rice that you are using, okay? So I'll just put double the quantity of water here. Now I'll increase the flame a bit. So almost double the flame what it was initially. And now I'll put the cardamom and the cinnamon stick. These spices give a very good flavor as well as a good smell. You know, food needs to have good smell so that it makes you or compels you to eat it. Your senses need to get activated before you start eating it. So now the cooking process has started. We leave this rice for like 10 minutes or so, and when the water reduces, you have to just turn off the gas so that it stops cooking, and you can then plate it. Hey everyone, so it's almost like 5 to 6 minutes, and I think our recipe is ready out here. Let's have a look. Quick look out here, okay? Okay, so you can see the water has dried up, and let's see. Okay, sorry, the steam is coming on the lens. So yeah, the entire water has dried up, and you could see the rice particles are also separate from each other, and the color of the vegetables are wonderful. And I can tell you the smell that's coming out here is great. It would just tempt me to eat it right away. So just at this point of time, turn off the gas and you are ready with an excellent recipe. And apart from this, I'll give you some general tips out here. Whenever you are cooking food, there are certain things that you need to take in mind. First, being in good mood, okay? So don't be irritated or be in a hurry or something. Just cook for yourself, for the people you love, okay? So have good feeling while you're cooking. Use good quality utensils, okay? And keep your kitchen clean. Keep things what you are going to cook ready. Don't start arranging afterwards, okay? So keep things ready and make sure, because timing is very important. So later if you start looking for things and going to shop maybe to get things what you have already started cooking, things don't work out this way. The last tip that I'll give you is while you eat food, try to eat it with your family, okay? With a lot of happiness, the food will just get into your body and give wholesome goodness to you, okay? Thank you for watching my video. I'll come up with more such recipes. Thank you for watching Uttam's Kitchen. Bye-bye. Take care.